All right, welcome back, my dear students. So I'm inside admin in the index here, and I want to show you a quick trick. I'm gonna take all this out of here because I don't need it. All right, there is a super global called server. Some of you know it, some of you don't know it, and I want to show you what it does. All right, so for example, I'm just gonna say server here. This is the super global server, and then we can pass some methods here, right? Some key in this super global, and that could be requests, and these are predefined, by the way. I'm not making this up. Request, this is the request URI. All right, so who's making this request? We'll find out in a minute, right? You can see that it's gonna give us that directory in which we are right now. All right, we can use this and just to detect in what page we are, so that way we can display certain things. All right, of course you can also use, all right, there, but this will give you what, that whole thing from applications, from the whole. See, right now we need a relative path, we need a path to our website, right, to our e-commerce site. So the server is the right one to use. If you use this one, this one's just gonna link all the way back to the server, to where everything starts on the server. For me, it starts in application. If you were in a live server, it would start on var or something like that, or etc., right? So this is what we're going to be using here to do a if condition here. So what I want to do is I want to say, and let me just put that back there because we're going to need it. So I want to say if this here is equal to what? Right now we saw that it was equal to, oops, I'm going to do control. Actually, I remember. Is equal to, put the string here, it was ecom. So I'm going to put my address for that current place where I am, public and admin. All right, so if it's equal to this, then we could include our admin. All right, I'll take this. I'll take the whole thing actually, right here, and I'll modify it a little bit, and I'll say admin content. All right, so if I come here and click enter, that's gonna give me an error, of course, because I got something going on. Forgot my semicolon here. All right, enter. That's gonna give me my admin content. All right, so now if I have index here, which is the same thing, right, then I don't get anything. I also have to check for that. So I could say or, so I put this two, I don't know what you call that, I forgot, sticks. I forgot the name of it. But if this one here is equal to this one plus index.php, then I want you to display something else. And where is this? I actually did this outside of this here. It should be right outside, right here, wrapping everything. All right, make sure you do that. Enter. All right, so now it will display even though we don't have the other condition. So two different conditions, it will display different pages. So I hope you get an idea on what we're doing here. So the next one would be, what I want to start working on is orders. We don't have an orders link here, but we'll make one. When we click on that orders link, I want to be able to display that orders page and then display all the orders that came through. All right, so thank you so much for watching. On the next lecture we'll work on the orders page, and then we'll work on the rest of the e-commerce site. Take care.